every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 to the 281, yeah.
Yo, what's up guys? Today on this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom in and zoom out effect like what you saw. But before we get to the point, we should watch this. Hi fellas, here a quick tutorial about zoom effect, and please make sure to watch till end of the video so you don't miss anything. Well, to start with, you can see that I use a very cool text. If you also want to edit Iron Man, you can join my Telegram channel and download it so easily. For such edits, we need three things: a cool start, keyframes, and a transition that I'll show you now. Well, regarding the keyframe, you need to use two of them at the beginning of the video and at the end of the video, because we need to do some adjustment between two keyframes for a smooth zoom effect that I'm gonna show you how to do this. For first keyframe, you need to zoom in manually as much as you want on the character. And for the second one, you just need to let video to get back to the normal ratio. Sounds so easy, yeah? Well, I'm not gonna do this to all my scene because I don't know if this video will get too long or bored, however. Yeah, just like that. So guys, for the transition, I decided to use a slide effect for a start of the clip, because it's the best combo for zoom animation, you know? And for the last one, for other scene, you just need to add pull out effect. No need explanation for this one because it's so easy, you just need to watch my video.